Hey, this is Pat again with our Bay and Bay series.
And I'm Regina.
So another thing we'd like to talk to you guys about are delays in transit. Anybody that's been in this industry for any amount of time knows that there are a million different things that can go wrong in transit. That's part of the job, it's normal, we know that. What we can control is being proactive with our communication, whether it's a breakdown, whether it's weather, whether it's you need a washout, anything like that. Being proactive with your communication does wonders for us because we are able to either find a repair en route or something like that, but we are able to work with you as well as alert the customers. Customers knowing that, again, they're not going to be thrilled with it, but they get it. It's part of the industry. If it can go wrong, it will go wrong. So being proactive with all that stuff is another very helpful way for us to stay in communication with our customers.
Never hesitate to send in a message, give a call, whatever way you need to communicate with us, and we are always here to help and support. And in the end, it just comes down to communication. Can't control what has happened, but we can try to control the outcome going forward.